everyone, myself Payam Vora and my title for presentation is Role of Pharmacist in Industrial Pharmacy. What are the various branches for pharmacists in the industry? They are formulation, manufacturing, clinical trials, QA and QC, regulation, marketing, sales, medical affairs and pharmacovigilance. What are the various roles of a pharmacist in the industry? They aid in disease identification, digital therapeutics, drug discovery, predictive forecasting, aid in clinical trials, finding out biomarkers. Artificial intelligence is a game changer for pharmacists in the industry. It has aided in drug discovery and development. It has also enhanced the efficiency for faster production of life-saving medications, and it has helped to explore an industrial pharmacy at a greater extent. Amalgamation of AI with pharmaceutical industry has boosted the roles of pharmacists either in aiding addressing drugs shortages or in analyzing the inventory management trends. So to conclude, we can say that there are multiple phases of an industrial pharmacist, either in the research, testing and analysis, or in the laboratory, or in the technologies, or in the clinical trials. In nutshell, we can say that an industrial pharmacist has a very, very vital role in our society as a healthcare professional. Thank you so much.